Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use GGives in Lazada with GCash. So here I have made a step-by-step guide, so make sure you follow the app. So open your Lazada app here, launch the Lazada app, and you can also use this website, right? As you can see here. Now browse and select the items you want to buy. So once you select a product to buy here, scroll down to the payment method, right? Let me show you. So here you will see the payment method. Now here, tap on view all payment methods. As you can see here, select payment method. There's a true, Lazada and cash on delivery here. If you haven't already linked your GCash, so you need to link your GCash. As you can see here, we don't have any option. Click on view all payment method. Now here in the payment method, you will see this option of GCash e-wallet. Now go and click on it. Now automatically your GCash will be linked into your Lazada. After connecting your GCash, choose GGives as your payment method. You may need to specify the number of months you want to pay in installment. Now after that, you can just complete the purchase whichever product you have selected, and that's it. This is how you can buy it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.